your kitchen. In this video, we're gonna make a low-carb egg blanc with Parmesan cheese together. This delicious and healthy dish has a tasty tomato sauce and the least amount of carbohydrates. This is very suitable for you if you are on a low-carb diet. Please subscribe and let's get cooking. It's so tasty and don't forget to have fun.